Kathy Bach, the Public Services Director for the Cincinnati and Hamilton County Public Library. And welcome to the newly renovated West End branch. This project represents a $2.8 million investment in the community. I'm standing at what used to be the front entrance, but now we're going to go around and check out our new entrance into this exciting building. And this is our new entrance off of Lynn Street. It's fully accessible. Let's go inside and check it out. Inside this beautiful space, and look who I ran into. It's Kehlani Parks, our branch manager here at West End. Hi, Key.
Hey, Kathy.
You want to show us around this great space?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
This is our new open and flexible event space. Most of our tables and shelves can be moved to accommodate events of any size. But wait, there's more to show you. Another thing you'll notice is that our back hallway is gone. We've made space for new, roomier restrooms that are handicap accessible. But wait, there's more. We also have 2 new study pods. Oh, it looks like it's time for my meeting. Hey, Kathy.
Hey, come on in.
Hey.
Have a seat.
Thank you. We also have a new laptop kiosk at the branch, but I've saved the best for last. This is our brand new courtyard. This actually used to be our front entrance. Now it's our new courtyard where you can study, have a snack, or just enjoy the beautiful weather.
Hi, my name is Michelle Elliott, and I am a regional manager for the Cincinnati and Hamilton County Public Library System. And we hope that you join us soon at our newly renovated West End Branch Library that is open now.